is Belcalba and I am here to perform the Morse code from the word receiving. So shall we start? Romeo, Echo, Charlie, Echo, India, Victor, India, November, Golf,